Hi, Love Giselle, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for being here. You loved my last trends video, so here is another one. Here is a lip and eye trend for spring and summer 2023. A side note, this is the eye that goes with my laminated skin video that you all loved. All right, so before we get started, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. All right, so let's start with the lips. I first want to thank our sponsor for today, City Beauty. They have a brand new launch that I have now been using for the past couple of weeks, and I'm obsessed. They are launching their City Beauty City Lips Night Oil. I love this for a lot of reasons, but one, it has no stickiness, and it's basically an overnight lip treatment, but that I use at night and then also during the day. It lives in my purse. This lip oil actually exfoliates, plumps, and hydrates. It's the applicator. You kind of rub it a little bit like this, and it exfoliates the lips. Now, why this is important is because the lip trend for 2023 is kind of big, voluptuous, kind of juicy, bold, actually, I would say, lips. So this is a perfect way to start to prep those lips to get this look. And the reason why I'm going to put this on first is because I want to let this sit in, do its job. We'll do our eyes and come back. It has the most beautiful, light, soft vanilla scent to it as well. It actually has ingredients in it to, like I said, plump and firm and hydrate the lips, but also it has been known and shown to help with fine lines and wrinkles around the mouth with prolonged use. So if you are a City Beauty lover like I am, this would pair well great with their lip plumper. I love their clear lip plumper gloss. So put this on at night, put your clear lip gloss on during the day, and you can touch up with this. Isn't that pretty? No stickiness. Just really nice hydrated lips. And this lip plumper does not burn the lips at all. It's paraben free, mineral oil free, phthalate free, and of course always cruelty free. It also has hyaluronic acid in it, so as you wear it for a few minutes, it will actually plump up those fine lines that we have as we age on our lips, so they'll become more of a poutier lip. All right, let's let that sit in and do its job. So now we're gonna start with the eyes. This is the trend for summer and spring with the eyes is almost like 90s grunge is back, which is crazy. I lived through the 90s. So it's kind of messily done. There is a lot of metallic on the eyes. So we're gonna do a little bit of a grunge wearable though look with a touch of metallic. So I'm actually going in with my 24-hour pencil by Urban Decay, and this is an alkaline. I've used this for years. I absolutely love it. And I'm actually not going to prime my lids. I'm actually not even going to color correct them because this color is going to go along with the color palette I'm choosing today. Okay, you ready? I don't have my concealer on. We will do that at the end to clean it up. We're going to start on the bottom lash line. So what you're going to do is you're going to look straight into your mirror and you're going to follow this lower lash line. Don't worry if it gets a little crazy and messy. So this is kind of the neat part of this. So what you're going to do is you're going to be kind of a graphic liner, but one that is a little messily done, which is amazing and fun. You're going to envision that that line from your bottom lash line goes up to your eyebrow, and you're going to bring it out. If you have an eye fold right here at the corner, you're going to come inward to skip that fold. Now, you're going to make this dramatic. 90s grunge was a little bit all about drama and imperfectness. Do you see how my skin, I'm going to pull my arm around the other side. My skin is making my pencil skip because I have laxity in my eyelid, just from age. I'm going to reach around and I'm going to pull my eye ever so slightly, just gently up. Yes? Yes. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to go in the same motion. I'm going to go downwards because my skin is making it skip a little bit. This is going to look crazy. I promise it's going to look dope. You're going to go above your brow bone or on your brow bone and in, just like that, okay? And you want to leave space here, very similar to our hooded eye tutorial. Follow those guidelines. This is actually a great eye trend for you to try if you have a deep set eye and you're looking to elongate it. Okay, So now I'm going to go in with a brush that has nothing on it. You're going to make sure you have a towel with you so you can wipe off your brush as you go. So you're going to start to blend this all the way in. You want it to be real messy. And you don't want to wait too long because the playtime with these is not amazing, which is what you want. You want to get to blending. So you want to do one eye and then the other. And now, of course, you could do this with a soft brown pencil too. You don't have to be doing this with such a dramatic color. Fun. Okay. So now what you're going to do is you're going to, I'm just using the old Anastasia palette because, I'm not buying new palettes right now. This is the Norvina palette. I'm sure we all have it or something like it. These are the colors. I'm just going in with the lightest color, which is called Base. And I'm just blending this brow bone a little bit. Taking the same brush we used, and I'm going to go into Passion, which is a very similar color to the pencil we just used. And I'm going to place it right here in the crease. And I'm just focusing on the outer third. And again, it needs to have like a kind of like a effortless, messy feel to it. Big blending brush, and you want it to kick out. It's kind of exaggerated. And my skin right now is exactly what we did for the laminated skin tutorial. And like I said in the beginning, this is very much the eye that goes with it. It's barely their skin, plump lips with a light nude color, and then kind of this dramatic goth eye. I shouldn't say goth. I should say grunge. And I'm just going to take that same color and we're just ever so slightly reinforcing. This line underneath needs to be a little bit bigger than you normally would. And now this, if this is not cool for you for every day, why not use this for a date night? Fantastic. I'm loving it, just so you can see everything. And then what I'm going to do is we're going to go in with this color called Rose Gold. And we're going to put that on our finger and we're going to metallic it up. Good thing I don't have my concealer on yet. I kind of picked up far too much. Almost there. We're going to go into Voltaire and the color we used first out of the palette. Angle brush, and we're just going to reinforce ever so slightly on this outside corner. Yes, yes. Okay. Now you can definitely do black liner here. I'm going to just use the same liner. I'm going to do my waterline up here. That's just to give definition at the base of the eye. Now we're going to go in and we're going to put a little bit of white, or I guess I should say peach, on this waterline. All right, now to finish this kind of off-ish, is we're going to use that same base color and we're going to pop the inside of the eye. Just to make that, just to finish off the eye. Okay, my eyes are done. I'm loving it, obsessed. Put mascara on. Okay, so for the lips, this is, in my opinion, some of my favorite things to do with my lips. These are very much like a filter lip, if that makes any sense. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give a very light contour on the bottom of my lip and just ever so slightly up here. Not a lot. Okay, you can use cream, you can use whatever you want to. Honestly, I'm just going to use whatever I have here in a powder form. I didn't bring my real contour here. So I'm just going to go underneath the lip and above it. You don't want to do too much above because it makes your lips look like you're dirty. Okay, but bear with me here. Do not do on the sides. We don't want to push the sides out. We want to push the center out. Lip oil really does plump the lips, and my lips feel so hydrated. I love it. I literally carry it everywhere. Okay, I'm just going to tap off that lip oil. It does stay. It's amazing. Okay, I'm just going to kind of go over my lip line with my concealer brush. And I'm going to take my concealer brush and just ever so slightly, this is the Angie Hot and Flashy, blend that kind of contour in. You want it just as a shadow. You do not want this to show. So just tap, tap, tap until it's barely there. Do you see that? Boop. Okay. So now what you're going to do is you're going to overdraw your lips on the top and then go on the actual lip line on the sides, and you're going to do a line down the middle. Okay. So we're going to overdraw in the middle on the bottom as well. So down here. This is all Pillow Talk by Charlotte. Okay. So It's hard to talk when you're doing lips. I overdrew the bottom. You can already tell. I mean, is this like filter lips or what? Let's do that. Okay. And then you're gonna go up along regular line here. Where are my small lip girls, huh? Cupid's bow. Makeup is fun, you guys. It washes off. We're gonna have a good time here. I'm gonna make them a little bit bigger than I normally would. Okay. Oh, I forgot the line down the center. So the line down the center can either be done with a lip liner or it can be done with a liquid lip because those have a tendency not to move. They move less than a pencil. Up to you. So now we're gonna take our Pillow Talk lipstick. Oh, I am feeling this glam right now. Oof. Okay, so we're just gonna do a little touch of the lip oil. Oh, this way it smells is so yummy. Just because the lip gloss or the lipstick I used is basically semi-matte, so we just wanna add a little extra hydration, not a ton, because we don't wanna move anything. I mean, come on, get out of here, right? Lips look full, glossy, plump, firm. I love it. All right, so this is what the look should look like. This is what's in for spring, summer 2023. I mean, honestly, I could feel this with like a bathing suit, kind of bohemian style, as well as like a night out. I don't know. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. I'm probably going to live in this look. Yes. All right, you guys, let me know what you guys think. If you guys want any more trends, there's a few other eye looks. They're not as impactful as this is, but let me know which else you want me to make videos on, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's love from me to you. Bye, loves.